Hey everybody, welcome back. Today is parts day. We got a parts delivery from Z1 Motorsports. Uh, I've been waiting on some parts for our Project Midnight. We've got, what do we got in here? Got some wheel bearings and hub assemblies. Some brake hardware kit. Still waiting on on the brake pads for the parking brake. And let's see what else we got in here. Oh, we got that's our axle nut. And I believe there's some cotter pins in here. Some new cotter pins to replace all that old hardware. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff, get at least one of the wheel bearing and hubs installed, and I'll come back to you. So I've got the old wheel bearing and hub assembly removed, and I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a lot of movement. There shouldn't be any movement whatsoever. So that bearing was shot and could have caused a catastrophe if we let it go any further. So just in comparison to that one, here's the new wheel bearing and hub assembly, and nice and quiet, no movement. So I'm going to go ahead and get that installed. I'll put you on the time. We'll get on the time lapse here, and we'll be back with you in just a few. There's the new hub and wheel bearing. Yeah. Spins a lot easier than the old one. I'm going to put the lock nut and cotter pin on and button it back up. The axle shafts, there's 6 bolts on each side with washers and the lock nut that are going to need to be replaced because, as you'll see in an as you'll see when I'm at the end of the beginning of this video, I have had to heat them up to get them off. So because I had to heat them up to get them off, it's here, let me set this down. Because I had to heat them up to get them off, I think I've stretched them. So I'm going to go ahead and I ordered those parts. Ordered them yesterday. Checked the shipping. They're shipping. They shipped out today. So I'm at least going to get everything put back together with the new wheel hub and bearing assembly. Get all that put in and use the current nuts and bolts and washers that I have, and once the new ones come in, I'll go ahead and swap those out. I'll make a quick video of that as well. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and get started, and we'll finish getting this stuff installed, and I'll see you back here in a little bit.